Speed ramping in Premiere Pro, it's easier than you might think. Here I have this simple shot. To create a speed ramping, go to this FX square, right click on it, choose time remapping and then speed. Now you have a line that changes the speed of the video. First, find the point where you want the speed ramping to start or stop. And hold Ctrl or Command on Mac and click. Now you can click and drag this line to increase the speed to something like 500%. Depend on your video. Now, by clicking on the left side of this flag thing, move it to the left. And you can make it smooth by clicking on the flag and dragging the little middle handle to smooth out the edges. And now we have speed ramp. Let's create another one to end the video. Make a point to speed in the beginning, then normal speed, then speed at the end. You can add as many points as you like in your video. Just be creative. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Peace.